Hi there, I'm Camilo Escobar, JURIDAI founder, and today I'm going to explain the principle of continuity regarding AI, regarding artificial intelligence, because these kind of products, this kind of objects, this kind of technology, the kind of products based on this technology must be able to make sure that there is continuity with respect to the activities related to them, depending on the way in which each AI product exists. So this depends on the way in which each service, function, operation exists with respect to the way in which the elements of AI that support that situation, that activity, that service, that operation exist. So the continuity means, by one hand or by one side, on one hand, the duty to be able to get stability with respect to the operation that is related to an AI. And secondly, or by the other hand, in the other hand, complementarily, this means the continuity means that there must exist a complementary solution, or properly a plan B, another way to bring that stability when the AI is not working for some reason. And that ensures the continuity of the operation of the activity that is related with the AI. So the diligence means, the diligence in this aspect signifies that the AI product must exist in a legally valid condition, must have a legally valid quality to exist, to function, to operate in a valid way, and to be able to exist or properly to operate in a continuous way. But when there is a, for example, force majeure or some legally valid reason to not be able to work, there must exist another way to permit, to allow that the service, the operation, the activity that was related to the AI can continue existing, can continue operating. So this involves two aspects. First, the duty of foreseeability. Every human being related to the way of existence of the AI must foresee, must detect, must anticipate all the elements that are foreseeable to make sure that the AI is going to exist in a legally valid continuous way, in a continuous way that is valid because it's supported by a valid quality, and properly because the AI exists in a valid way, that is, in a way that is based on the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. And secondly, this means that when there is a legal reason, a legally valid reason, a legal justification, a legally valid justification to recognize that the AI is not able to work and that there is no liability because of that, due to that, with respect to that, there must exist another way to provide the service, the activity, the operation, to don't affect in that way any right and duty. I mean, to make sure in that way, through that solution, that there is the enjoyment of rights and the fulfillment of duties with respect to the operation, with respect to the activity that is provided by an organization or by someone. So the second aspect means the duty to have a contingent plan to attempt to control all the possible invalid consequences, all the possible invalid effects of the lack of operation of the inexistence of work of the AI. So this shows diligence because the relevant aspect is not the AI to exist when it must not to exist because there is a legally valid reason to not be able to work. Because the diligence solution, or probably because the diligence in this regard means that the humans related to this operation bring another way to present the provision of the service, to realize the activity in another continuous way by another means. So this is diligent. Of course, this is different to the situation in which there must exist an AI, and if there is no AI operation, there is going to be for sure, of course, an invalid situation because there is going to be inexistence of the enjoyment of rights and fulfillment of duties. For example, when a company offers a software as a service based on AI, or probably a software as a service because every software in the end is AI, and during the term of the contract, suddenly the system stops working, the system stops working in some functions, there's going to be a liability. So it's not about that. It's about making sure that the continuity of a service based on AI is always going to be able to continue even when the AI is not working due to a legally valid reason. But when the continuity depends and properly is based exclusively on AI, on the AI, on an AI product, there must exist the stability in every time and space, in every moment, related to the way of existence of the AI to the extent of the time in which that duty exists. That is, for instance, to the extent of the time of the service provision contract. Thanks so much for your attention, and I invite you to www.juridai.co to know what we do, to know our offer of in-house legal training on general principles of law related to AI, regarding AI, and to know our blog. Take care, bye-bye. Thanks so much.